Welcome students, today we are going to learn about angles. What is an angle? An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. This is an example of an angle. Here you can see its two rays are OA and OB, and they both are meeting at a common end point which is O. When two rays meet at a common end point, an angle is formed. An angle is represented by this symbol. This is the symbol of an angle. And name of the angle given in this figure is angle AOB. We measure the angles in degrees. This is the symbol of degree. We measure the angles in degrees. And we use protractor to measure the angles. This is an example of a protractor. We use it to measure the different types of angle. Parts of an angle. What are the parts of an angle? This is an example of an angle. Here you can see the two rays are AB and BC, and they are meeting at a common end point which is B here. Arms. The first part of an angle is arms. What is an arm? The two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of an angle. So here the two rays AB and BC, they are called arms of an angle. The another part of an angle is vertex. The common end point at which the two rays meet to form an angle is called a vertex. Here you can see the common end point which is B here. This is called the vertex of an angle. So two rays meeting at a common end point which is B, that is called the vertex of an angle. Ray AB and BC, they are called the arms of an angle, and the common end point is called the vertex of an angle. Real life examples of angles. The first example is chair. Yes, chair is an example of an angle. Here you can see an image of the chair. This chair is making an angle like this. Another is scissors. Scissors also make a type of an angle. Few more example. Pizza slice. Pizza slice is also an example of an angle. And the fourth one is ice cream cone. Ice cream cones are the examples of an angle. Thank you.